Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to change mouse cursor size. It's very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to change mouse cursor size. It's very easy and simple method. First click on search and here you type settings, then press enter, then scroll down and here you see assembly, click on it. Then here you see mouse pointer and touch, click on it. Then here you see this type, there is size. Yes, how much can you add it? You require you can. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.